everyone, my name is Brittany McLean. I'm the Environmental Coordinator with the City of Fredericton. I'm here today with our second video in our series of backyard gardening videos. We're here to help you build your own backyard garden. So today I'm going to talk about raised bed gardens. There's a few benefits to having a raised bed garden. The biggest one is probably that you can bring the earth up to you. So if you have any issues with kneeling or bending down to garden, you can build your garden height accordingly. It's also great because they warm up easier in the spring once you have your first season in, and that means you can get to work with the soil earlier on in the spring. They also retain moisture a lot better, so you don't need to be watering them with your watering can as much. That being said, there are a few drawbacks as well. It's a investment to get the lumber to build these. You need to use something like cedar that's going to hold up, that doesn't need to be pressure treated. You also need to take the time to build them, and it isn't easy to move your garden after it's been built. You also need to buy some soil and some compost to fill these up. So for this garden here, we bought a load of topsoil and a load of compost just off of Kijiji to fill them up, but that was an additional cost as well. If you are thinking about building some raised beds, you can get your soil and compost from Kijiji or from any sort of garden center. Thanks for joining us. I hope you'll join us online to look through more of our resources and to check out our other videos.